New tonight, southwestern Utah grappling with a youth mental health crisis. This after a string of recent suicides in the area.
Liv Kelleher is joining us from St. George, where one mother is sharing her story, and a local nonprofit says that it's helping fill gaps in mental health care they say schools aren't meeting.
Here at Vista School, over 200 mental health professionals gathered today to discuss the growing need for mental health support in our community. One of the most urgent topics is the rising rate of suicide amongst teens. Now, across the community, parents, advocates, and mental health providers are asking, how can we do more?
No one expects to lose their child. No one expects to be laying their child to rest.
Rosalyn Sugahara lost her 14-year-old son, Shazan, to suicide last October.
He was such a happy boy. He was so outgoing.
After moving to Utah from Hawaii, she says her son struggled to adjust and faced relentless bullying.
It damaged him. It made him insecure. And no matter how talented and no matter how much people told him, you're such this amazing person, he had a hard time believing it.
Suicide is the second leading cause of death in our state for children ages 10 to 17. In Washington County alone, suicide accounts for nearly 27 deaths per 100,000 people.
Sometimes it's not their family that they want to talk to. They want to talk to someone outside. They want an outlet.
Irene Aquin sees that need every week. She runs iStrive, a nonprofit that hosts free mental health gatherings out of her dance studio. Those gatherings are led by licensed therapists.
They need to find a place to gather, right? A good group of people that love you and that accept you and that give you that place to speak and not looked at like something's wrong.
She says her program aims to normalize discussing mental health outside of a school or home setting.
The teachers are doing a great job on what they're doing. You can only do so much, but where do you go after that?
For Rosalyn, more community could mean fewer funerals.
Just maybe it'll help another child or save another life.
iStrive hosts events for people of all ages, not just teens. Tomorrow, they're hosting a rock painting event to place positive messages along the Laverkin Bridge, a place that's been the site of multiple suicides over the years. In Ivins, Liv Kelleher, KUTV 2 News.
Liv, thank you. We first told you about the Laverkin Bridge, 150 feet above the Virgin River, back in April. At least one person has committed suicide by jumping from that bridge every year. Hurricane Mayor Nanette Billings says that she's aware of the risk of the bridge. The city has been working on a solution for a year and a half now. By August, construction on a new iron fence will begin. The city hopes it will stop people from jumping.
If you or someone you know is experiencing suicidal thoughts, help is available. We don't want you to forget that. There's always help available. Just call or text the Suicide Prevention Lifeline. That number is 988.